This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Tesla Cybertruck and build a boat. First, begin by placing a large, flat base, perhaps a 1x4 block, for your truck's chassis. Next, use a rectangular block for the main body, scaling it to about 3 units long. Ensure this base is wide enough, around 2 units, to support the truck's unique design and future additions. This forms the essential foundation. Now, let's tackle the iconic angular design. Add angled blocks like 2x1 wedges to create the Cybertruck's distinctive sloped front and rear sections. For the cabin, use triangular pieces to form the roof and windshield, giving it that sharp, futuristic look. Make sure all these panels connect smoothly, maintaining the vehicle's sleek, geometric aesthetic. Precision here is key for recognition. Next, it's time for the wheels and finer details. Attach 4 large, sturdy wheels to the chassis, ensuring they are evenly spaced for stability and smooth movement. Then, incorporate smaller blocks to create details like headlights, taillights, and windows, bringing your Cybertruck to life. For an extra touch of realism, you might consider adding a simple interior or a bed cover to the truck's rear section. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and test your creation. Paint the entire Cybertruck a metallic silver or a dark gray to achieve that authentic, rugged look. Once painted, take your new vehicle for a test drive to ensure all parts are securely attached and it moves smoothly. Make any necessary adjustments to improve its stability or overall appearance, ensuring your Cybertruck is ready for adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.